If you feel like you need a lot of money to start investing, then this investment opportunity would shock you, because this investment is one investment you can start with less than $200, and you can make up to $2,000 every single month. And I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I'm doing it, what it is, and how it works, and every single thing. Now, this category of investment, if you've been following my other content, is called a passive investment. So you necessarily don't need your time involvement, all the headaches and everything businesses come with. You can actually set this and forget, right? So now I'm going to be sharing with you the logic and how it works, and you see how it works, and then I will give you all the platforms where you can find this and how to go about it. So this investment is called automated trading investment. So basically, if you've heard about trading before, or probably you're even trading right now, making money from trading is not necessarily a skill set of selling like every other business needs. So for you to run any business, for you to be into any business, you need to learn how to sell, how to work with customer care, how to do this, how to do that. But when it comes to trading, you necessarily don't need those skills. So it makes trading or the financial market a kind of special business, right? But for you to be successful in the financial market, you need two things. You need a very good strategy that is making profit again and again and again, and you need good amounts of money. So as investors, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking for the strategy, and we're going to be looking for the money, and when we put it together, we'll have an investment that will be making us a lot of money. So this is how it works. Now, usually what people do is they go to learn how to trade. Somebody, maybe a guru, tells them, oh, this is how I make this amount of money, this is what I did, this is strategy I'm using, and they try to learn it. And if you've tried anything before, you know that getting good at anything takes a lot of time. So no matter the strategy anybody shows you, you won't make money in your first 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Sometimes it takes 3 years. If you've seen all the successful traders that are making money with trading, really making money with trading, not the ones selling courses, they've spent, let's say, 8 years, 5 years, 6 years on the journey. And that's really tough, right? So instead of us doing that, we're going to be leveraging them. So we leverage traders that are already profitable. They are making money very well, or we use automated trading system. And then what we look for, instead of us using our own capital, trying to invest $100 and trying to grow the $100 to $1,000, that's not necessary. We just look for a good amount of money, let's say $50,000. And if you make 2% of $50,000, that's about $500, right? And imagine you had, let's say, 10 accounts making you that amount. That's a lot. So all we're going to do is we'll be using platforms called prop firms. So prop firms give traders money to be able to, like profitable traders, they give them money and they trade. And when they trade, they share the profit. Let's say 30, 70, 80, 20. The trader takes 80, they take 20. And that's how it works. So what we're going to be doing right now is we'll look for a profitable trader. We look for a prop firm. We connect the two of them through a copy trading system, and they trade and will make money. And this is it. Let me give you some of the stats, then I will show you exactly how it works and where to get started, where to find these tools, where to find these traders, and every other thing. Let me give you the max. So for instance, let's say you're trading with a capital size of $50,000, right? Now $50,000, let's say you're making $200. That's quite the lowest. I like to go very low because I don't like too much expectations and projections that never make sense, right? But let's say you're making a profit of $200 every day, right? So you're making a profit of $200 with a capital of $50,000. That's quite huge, right? So now $200, let's say you have 10 accounts. Now these 10 accounts, you can connect it, and this same trader can just trade, and all the accounts get the same signals, and they're making the same $200. So $200 per day from one account times 10. So if you times that, that's about $2,000, right? Now, $2,000 times, let's say 20 days in a month for trading. Let's say 5 days went profitable. Let's say you had 15 days that were profitable, or just 10 days that were profitable. 10 times $2,000, that's about $20,000 you're making every single month without your involvement. And that's the math. That's why it's the best investment. Now, what do you need to get started? You need an expert trader. You can't learn by yourself. Try to be a trader in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks. That's bullshit. That's not going to work. What you're going to be doing is looking for an expert trader, or looking for a bot that is proven to trade profitably again and again. Not the bot that will make you turn your $100 to $5,000 in 2 days. That's going to lose all your money. Something that is consistently profitable. The next thing we do, we go for prop challenges. Now, you don't have to pass the challenge by trying to trade yourself. You just connect the trader through a copy trading platform. You connect the trader to the prop account. As you're trading, the signal is showing on that account. You pass the challenge, and after the challenge, you keep making your money. And that's how it works. How much does it cost to set up a prop account? Some prop accounts you can set up with as low as $50, $30, $100, $200, depending on the amount, the account size you want to get started with. Now, to get an expert trader, the truth is, it's hard to find if it's profitable. A few people would allow you get access to that. But there's a way around it, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to go about it. But I want you to know that this investment is less than $200, and you're getting started with this investment, and it's growing gradually. So let's say you're making $2,000, you can actually buy more accounts, more investment, and grow it gradually, without you using your own money and without you using any of your expertise, meaning you're profitable from day one without you even becoming a trader. Most traders have been trading for 5 years. They've not been able to be profitable since 5 years. Well, you are becoming profitable because you are using this investment system, and that's how it works. Now, this video is already going so long, so I don't want to spend so much time sharing with you how to do this, how to do that. So what you're going to just do is click the link. You will see a short video where I explain exactly how it works step by step and how I'm doing it. In fact, I'm going to be sharing my own results. You'll see my own results and how it's working exactly. And this is one of the investments that you can get started with less than $200 and make $2,000 every single month. And if you find value from this video, give it a like and share it with someone that needs to find this opportunity.